Everyone, in this video, I will guide you how to download GTA San Andreas in iPhone. Let's follow my steps. First, open settings. There, check your internet connection. After that, scroll down to find the general option. Click on it. There, click on software update button. Update your iPhone, iPad. After this, go to App Store. Make sure that you have logged in your App Store with Apple ID. Then search GTA San Andreas. Click on first search. So guys, from there, you can purchase this game before installing. After purchasing, you can easily download this game. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.